It's easy to get distracted while working from home if you don't have the correct setup. To be productive, you need a dedicated workspace with minimal distractions. But if your house is usually chaotic, it can be increasingly difficult to reach that level of zen. So, if you need help setting up an ideal workspace, stick around as we walk you through 10 essentials you need to tick. Find a dedicated space. If you have a spare room in your house, you can easily convert it into an office. That said, most of us aren't that lucky and ended up working off the sofa or a kitchen table at the start of the pandemic. However limited your space is, you need to find an area that you can dedicate to your work and then be able to move away from it once your working day is over. Whatever you do, do not work from your bed. It's so important to get up and get ready for the day as if you were going into an office. Keep your essentials close by. As you would in the office, keep all your essentials near your working space. This could be your notebook and pen, water bottle, or any other office gear that you use during your workday. It will stop you from wasting time searching for items that you need throughout your day. Use 2 screens. It's super beneficial to use 2 screens while working from home. You can use one for browsing information while keeping all of your files open on the other. It not only helps you work faster, but also makes you more productive by having information readily available. It doesn't necessarily need to be a full monitor. You could use a tablet or iPad and sync them by AirPlay or an Android app. Switch your phone off. Phones are a huge distraction, so unless you need one for your work, keep it switched off or out of reach, and schedule in breaks where you can use it. It will avoid aimlessly scrolling through social media channels or messaging your bestie about after-work plans. Fill your space with natural light. Natural light helps people stay awake and alert during the day and is a big perk of working in an office. In addition, natural light keeps your eyes from straining while staring at a screen. So think about setting up your workspace in an area that offers plenty of natural light. Keep your space organized. Having a messy desk will distract you from the task at hand, so it's important to keep an organized workspace. If you use a lot of papers, make sure you have a cabinet for filing. Just keep items on your desk that you will use throughout the day and tidy it up at the end of each working day, so you don't find a messy desk in the morning. Invest in a comfortable chair. Comfort is key when investing in furniture for your home. You need an office chair that has good back support and height adjustment. A kitchen chair often doesn't do the trick, so invest in something that has enough support for long hours of sitting. And if you prefer to be on your feet, think about buying a standing desk. Add plants. Plants don't only look pretty, but also bring fresh air to your workplace. So if your working station is a bit stuffy, consider adding a pretty plant to add freshness and prettiness to your area. If you're not green-fingered, invest in a low-maintenance plant like a cactus or a money plant. Use scents. Adding pleasant smells to your workplace can instantly boost your productivity. Peppermint, for example, can give you an energy boost, while rosemary can help you concentrate and get tasks done faster, and sweet orange can help with anxiety. Just be sure to use them in moderation. Get the necessary equipment. Besides having a high internet speed, you may also need additional equipment to ensure you work productively. Whether it's Bluetooth computer accessories, noise-canceling headphones, or additional monitors, be sure to invest in what you need for an effective working day. Now that you know how to set up your working space at home, you'll be well equipped for a productive day. However, if you're looking for more tips and tricks, visit CareerAddict.com for more advice. CareerAddict offers professional CV writing services for all levels of professionals. So if you're in need of a job-winning CV, head over to our website, linked in the description below, and select your best-suited package. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.